All right, bitches, let's meal prep.
Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe.
What is on the menu this week? Ooh, okay. Overnight oats for breakfast, egg sandwich for breakfast number 2, meatballs and spaghetti for lunch, chicken breasts and potatoes for my second lunch, and then dinner is gonna be vegetables and salmon. So I eat like 5 meals a day.
Hands on your knees.
That's why I'm so fucking thick. My 2 main carbs this week are spaghetti and potatoes. So I usually start by making the carbs first because we love carbs. Girl, if you don't know how to cook, you've come to the right place. We are independent women and we can't rely on someone else to cook for us. So like, it's nice, but go slice your own potatoes, sis. Fuck my fucking life! If you're not seasoning your food, what the fuck are you doing? If you're not seasoning your food, like, I don't even want to know about it. Don't invite me to the cookout. So much garlic powder. It's insane. I fucking love garlic. Okay. We're baking 375. Ooh, it's hot. For about 30 or 40 minutes. Homemade meatballs. All right, so I have ground beef. Ew, meat like really creeps me out. Come on now. Okay. Okay. And ground pork. If you're vegetarian, don't watch. This recipe is not for you. I'm just mixing my meats. Beef and pork. A combination. Excuse me, what? Who in the world? Who? Okay. Next up, we've got some breadcrumbs. You know when a guy breadcrumbs you? Yeah, me too. So when a guy breadcrumbs you, it basically means that he gives you the very least and expects the rest out of you. If you aren't sure if you're being breadcrumbed, you're being breadcrumbed. Now that we got the breadcrumb situation situated, I'm gonna add some egg whites. Just to like give it some moistness. Now we're going for an Italian flavor here. Regular Italian seasoning. We definitely gotta have pepper. Can't do anything without pepper, without salt and pepper. And my best friend, garlic. And my other best friend, rosemary. I know macaroni in the pot is a thing, but what's meat in the pot? Form it into little balls. The fuck is wrong with me? We're going in the oven at 375 for I don't know how long. I've never made meatballs in the oven, but we'll see. You've been complaining for how long that you aren't able to reach your fitness goals. But then you also complain that meal prepping is too many dishes. It takes too long. It's too much effort. If you're not willing to do a few extra dishes, then you don't really want it. You don't want it bad enough. You don't. Because if you did want it bad enough, nothing would get in your way.
Get you a new outfit. Girl, that's just some child's play. Bounce that shit like, whoa.
You don't want to fall in love, I know.
I'm not someone you should trust, I know. I get Chanel out like a hug.
Okay, just took them out of the oven. They were there for about 30 minutes. I have all my pasta made and put into Tupperware already. So I have 2 meatballs per container. I already figured out all the macros and logged it all. And then to top it off, I'm doing vodka sauce. So there's 5 servings here, and there's 5 servings of sauce in the jar. So as long as I just split it up pretty evenly between all of these, then there you go. And then when I go to heat these up to reheat them, I'm just going to add some Parmesan cheese on top. And that's it.